Hey guys, I wasn't gonna do a whole video on this, but I think I'll do just a real short video and throw it up maybe tomorrow if I can get it edited real quick. But I ordered something from Louis Vuitton. It's a small thing, it's nothing big, and I got a like surprise with it, and I've never received that, so I thought that'd be fun to share. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. So I opened the box up. It came, I ordered it yesterday and it got to me today. Denise at the Austin domain, you are the bomb. You are awesome. Thank you so much. I will list her information down below in the description box so that if you want to, if you're looking for an item, you can go text her and see if she can get it for you. She has gotten me 3 or 4 things that are hard to get items now. She's helped me with some issues that I had with the Victorine wallet and like what to do there. And so she has just been so great, and I have been so pleased with her, her level of service, and I really appreciate her. So any business I can like help get to her, go her way, I'm happy to do so. So I wanted this item, and it's a hard to get item. It's always out of stock. I've looked on the pre-loved market, and it is so much more on the pre-loved market. I'm just not willing to pay, you know, over $100 more for something that's, I mean, 1, already used, and 2, I just hadn't reached out to ask to see if she could get it. So I opened the box, and there was like the bag for it in it and a little box. So I'll go ahead and open this because this is what I actually ordered. This comes in the, you know, receipt box here, and she had it like all nice and wrapped in the ribbon. And this is one of those box drawers, and open it up, and it comes in a dust bag, which is awesome. And it is the Monogram adjustable 16mm strap. And I wanted this. You guys know I love having different straps for my purses, and I wanted this one because I think I really love like mixing. I think it'll be really cool to mix it with like the Damier Ben, like on my Belmont and my Speedy Bees and all that. I think it'll even look cool with my Empreinte Speedy Bee. So I think that'd be cool. And yeah, so it comes, it's an adjustable strap here, and you can wear it, you know, crossbody, shoulder bag, all that. And it is just so pretty. I'm not really sure how it is, like if always it's the like, I don't know, you call that LaFleur's, the whatevers, and on this side it's got the LVs and all that down there. So I'm sure I could actually like flip this, since these turn, I could flip this and make that the top if I wanted to, and have the LVs there. And it has this strap, shoulder strap thing that has these I don't know, like grips on them so that it'll sit better on your thing. And let me open this. It has very minimal vachetta, which I really liked, because, you know, that's kind of the beauty of it, is you don't have to have like a lot of vachetta on it. So if I take it and I flip it, yeah, look, you can like flip it around and make that the top. Now I just have to get that to go back through it. So this is always sold out online. It's $255 plus tax. I'm doing this wrong. How do you do that? Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up, but I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh yeah, no, you're supposed to go over the top so that you have those bumps, but whatever. I have it wrong. It should go across the top here. Because then it like covers up those bumps if you do it this way, but I'll fix it later. Regardless, it has this adjustable piece here, so you can make it longer. You do it on this longest one, whatever. I'll put across the screen here like what the longest and shortest are. And then she kind of surprised me and sent this little box, another little drawer box, and it has all these perfumes that I get to try, and I have never tried Louis Vuitton perfume, so I'm so excited. And they're like a good decent size little thing, like it's totally full. I am ecstatic. So, you know, maybe I'm gonna be branching out into Louis Vuitton perfume this year. So she sent Cactus Garden, Rose de Vence, Apogee, Sur La Route, Slg. I know I'm butchering these and I'm sorry. And Au Hasard. So out of any of those that I just listed, if you have tried them and like them, see if you can see the names there. If you've tried them and liked them, let me know. I'd be interested to know what your favorite is and what you think of them. And anyway, I'll let you guys know as I try them. I just wanted to show you that. I'm really excited to have this. This was kind of on my wish list, my unofficial wish list. I know I did the wish list video, and I've added things to that list and I've taken things off of that list since I made it. Go figure. And I just thought, you know, I've been wanting to add this to my collection for years. Honestly, ever since I saw Shea Whitney get it for her Monogram favorite MM, and I thought,
oh, I'm gonna get the Monogram favorite, and I'm gonna get that
strap as well. And then I didn't get the Monogram, I got the Damier then. I didn't like the favorite MM, I've sold it. And I mean, aside from that, I don't know, I just never added it to my collection. So now I have it, and you can just carry it like this without that shoulder strap piece. And this is like a rubbery thing, rubbery piece to it. So anyway, that is it. That's what I got. It's not any kind of big deal. It's not going to be like official video, but I will post this up so you guys can see that. And I don't have any mod shots because I actually have my Speedy Bee 25 bandeau downstairs, and so that's the one I would actually carry it on. So like the most, that's what I trade mine out for the most. So I'm fixing it now so that you can see. Darn it, I did it again. Okay, so you have to go through the top and then underneath here. Ooh. And then pull that through like that. One thing I'll say about this is I feel like pulling this down, it feels like it's rubbing the sides. But I mean, they've designed it and I just purchased it. So if it does mess it up, I will contact Denise and ask her what to do, because she's always been like extremely helpful. Always. Oh, okay, that looks good. There you go. So there you go. You have that piece that sits on top, and then you have that shoulder piece there. And then you have an extender. So, well, not an extender. Then you have the piece that actually just goes on and is the adjustable piece. So limited vachetta, like I said, there's a piece and there's a piece, and it is just a really, really beautiful Louis Vuitton piece. So that's what I got. Thank you guys for watching. If you have this strap, let me know in the comments down below how you like it, how you use it. Do you keep that shoulder strap piece on it or no? Just curious how other people are carrying it. And again, let me know what perfumes you like from there, because now I have all of these to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.